Well, it's Sunday, about 7 a.m., the 10th. I went in and showered and shaved my head. Pam got a trim on Pam. So I'm debating this morning, driving the 3 hours to Moody and then staying there and then delivering in the morning. I got 21 and a half hours left on my 70. I don't get back hours till Tuesday at midnight, and I doubt I'm gonna burn 18 hours Monday and Tuesday. I got my next load to Fort Smith, Arkansas. I live in Russellville, Arkansas, so I might be able to run by the house. Don't really need to though, I'm provisioned pretty well. I just got more soda and water. Got frozen meals. My freezer's completely full, like literally completely full. So I'm kind of good. I could go for home cooked meals instead of these frozen meals, but frozen meals do fine on the road. But what are you doing? Can't look at him. Then I'll go back to doing it. I call it snuggling. I don't know what it actually is, but he goes all nuts. But yeah, I think I'm gonna run down there, get closer, drop first thing, and then have more available hours to run on Monday. So yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do that. But not a bad morning. I feel showered and cleaned and new clothes and everything, so not too bad. Come on. Trying to get him to go potty. Been working on the computer the last little while. It's what, 2:45. This truck stop's completely full too, especially on a Sunday. So I'm running inside, go use the bathroom, see how the laundry situation is. Hopefully get some laundry on. Come on. Hopefully get some laundry done. Let him run around for a minute, pee on something. Come here. But he's being stubborn. Come on. Come on. And then maybe get going on some laundry. Just easy day. Been hanging on the bunk pretty much this whole time. Come on. So yeah. Run! Run! laundry time. Timer. And get some laundry done. Always a good sign. I think my soap's a little bit too soapy. I'm still doing laundry. It's up and dry now. He's being a little shit. Won't go potty. Well, I'm walking around a little bit, taking some nightly videos. Some pretty good stuff here today. So I'll walk around just a little bit, see if we see anything really good. Well, I'm finishing up my day here. It's 6:20 at night. Got my laundry done. Just went around and shot videos, as you just literally saw, and I don't know why I'm telling it in the camera, because you just were watching it about 2 seconds ago. I got the very bad puppy who doesn't want to go potty, and I'm gonna eat real quick, nothing too special, and then go to bed. So naturally nothing interesting is gonna happen. So me and Pem Pem, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, hey, I forgot. The sheriff's department called me from the girl that went all nuts and was acting like she was shooting at cars. He called me and I gave him the info to the YouTube channel so he can get the video off of it. And they gave me my email address so I can email him the raw video if he wants it. And then we talked a little bit, and yeah, she was literally crazy, he said. Literally crazy. He ended up charging her with a felony, wanton endangerment, because she was swerving and trying to hit other cars. So she goes to court on like Tuesday for it. Yeah, so that was entertaining. He's giving me nose kisses. See? Nose kisses. So yeah, that was rather exciting. Sat and talked to him while I was doing laundry. But like I said, for now, see you guys tomorrow.